Never miss important weather with alerts sent to your phone. Get the Fox 2 Now app.
Would be a hot weekend if the Cardinals were playing the Cubs in town, but you still know that Busch Stadium would be packed. But they're on the road, kind of, I guess, overseas in London for that big game. It's technically a home game, I believe. And as we take you overseas to London, we have no worries about rainfall, and it will definitely be cooler there than it is here, but still warm by London standards. In the 80s, both Saturday and Sunday, with partly cloudy skies. And because they do temperatures in the Celsius scale over there, that means temperatures will be in the mid to upper 20s. Celsius over there in London over the weekend. Kind of a hazy look. Waterloo back here in St. Louis area from the Harrisonville Telephone Company top of the rooftop there, looking off to the south. Had some billowing cumulus clouds for a while, but otherwise pretty nice day. A little warm, high temperatures in the low 90s for most of us, but very low humidity, and that really makes a huge difference. Tomorrow, that difference will be the increase in humidity. So you'll notice a difference with the heat and the humidity, definitely more of a typical St. Louis summer feel. Right now, we're looking at Power Doppler. It's quiet. Tomorrow this time, I doubt it will be quiet because this area of storms is churning big time out of Wyoming and Colorado into Nebraska, and it is firing off to the east. This is a severe weather complex. Now, it may weaken once it gets to Omaha, but the remnant energy from this is something we're going to watch heading into tomorrow evening and into tomorrow night. In the meantime, as we put Futurecast into motion this evening through the overnight hours, temperatures drop into the 60s, low 70s by morning. And then as we get past sunrise, those temperatures start to warm up. Storms staying to the north until midday, and then we'll start to watch northwest Missouri when these storms may build rapidly south-southeast and expand a bit to the east. So that will be our chance for storms late tomorrow into tomorrow night. Meantime, morning hours are quiet. Good morning for a cup of coffee, whether you grab it and have it on the back porch or go out and grab some yourself at your local coffee shop. Temperatures will warm quickly through the 70s. With sunshine, you will not need to worry about umbrellas tomorrow morning. There's the setting sun right there in the distance from Cuba Municipal Airport. Temperature at 80 degrees here still in St. Louis. Humidity still relatively low at just 58 for dew point. Humidity at 47%. For the record, our high today at 91 is above normal by 3 degrees, but the low this morning below normal by a degree at 68 degrees for the morning low. All right, here come the storms churning together up here to the north of St. Louis. We're going to watch this activity churn to the Missouri-Iowa border. We're dry through the daylight hours tomorrow. Then tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, the development starts to pivot more south-southeast. There we go, right through the St. Louis area. Scattered showers and storms tomorrow night. Now, it's a pretty quick hit, so we're not going to see a ton of real helpful rainfall in terms of the drought situation, and there may even be some strong wind gusts. We're talking a level 2 out of 5 risk. The main concern for our part of the viewing area, our part of the risk area, rather, in yellow, will be from strong winds and maybe some isolated pockets of hail. But again, these are pretty quick movers. They'll be in and out. I don't see flash flooding as being a major concern. And then most of the severe weather is down across Tennessee and Kentucky as we hit Sunday. I think Sunday is by and large a dry day, very windy day here in St. Louis as well. 71 degrees your low tonight. Here in the city, outlying areas will drop into the 60s. Hot and humid tomorrow. Let's keep it dry during the daylight hours with that high of 96. But tomorrow evening into tomorrow night, scattered storms, fast moving, big wind makers. Overnight low, 74 degrees. Most of the stormy weather is done Sunday. It's windy and hot and mainly dry. Look at that high, 97. We're near 88 for a high with gusty winds on Monday. Tuesday and Wednesday, partly cloudy with highs near 90. And then we hit Thursday night and Friday for our next chance for storms. 95 Thursday, 93 on Friday. Jordan?
All right, thank you, Chris.